Oh my gosh, you guys, Vega screaming. We've had a late start this morning, so she's all mad because she wants to get in here and milk. But anyways, yep, late start. We're gonna get this day going now. We have a lot to do, so let's do it. So today we ran into a little bit of a problem. We have what's called an artesian well, which means we just have water like coming out of the well without using horsepower or a pump or anything like that. So we made a little brook to have the water go down into the creek. So the problem is the vegetation has built up so much in this little brook that the water is starting to overflow, and there's some spots with a lot of leaks. So today I need to go in and just pull all this out and hopefully fix some of these leaks that we have. Okay, really quick, if anyone has any ideas what I should do with this moss here, let me know. I don't know if I should dry it up and put it in a smoothie or something. Alright folks, it's starting to look clean. I pulled out what I could for today and patched up the holes so nothing's leaking. And the brook is sounding beautiful. Alright, Eric's got the flamethrower out. Basically, we're just killing all the weeds in the garden and getting it prepped for spring. After this, we'll probably end up tarping it, but ooh, look how good that soil looks. We are growing wheatgrass in the greenhouse right now, and I will definitely shoot another video on the different methods we use and how we grow it and what we use it for. Well, it seems like we got most of our chores done, so now we're gonna go inside and